Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your Roblox password. Now, firstly, to change your password, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet and you'll have to have your Roblox account logged in. Now, firstly, click on Roblox on your phone and open up the Roblox application. Once you've logged into your account, click on this More option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on this More button, you'll be redirected to this page. Now scroll down and find this Settings option and click on it. After that, click on this Account Info option at the top of this settings menu. Wait for it to open. Now you'll be redirected to the Account Info page. Now to change your password, you'll have to find this Password tab and click on this Edit button on the right hand side of it. Now this dialog box will open up on your screen. So firstly, fill in your current password. After you've filled in your current password, choose a new password for your Roblox account and fill that in too. Now you'll have to confirm your password by filling it again. After you've completed these steps, just click on this Update button. As you can see, a new dialog box has been opened saying you have successfully changed your password. And now click on OK, and from the next time you can log in by using your new password. I hope this video helped you to change your Roblox password. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you.